the ether waves, over the waterfalls and the snow-clad mountains and over the great American desert, that may be all right for them what wants it. But does you remember when we was in the African Navy?
Boy, that was something, wasn't it? Was we a couple of admirals then, or was we a couple of admirals?
Oh, boy, that sure was the happy time. I wish we was back there now again, y'all, sir.
Boy, if we only had that old battle wagon again, we could sure step out and take Zululand, couldn't we?
Oh.
Oh, if we was only there. Well, Nancy, hello there, Admiral. How are you this morning, kid?
Mr. Admiral, to you.
Mr. Admiral, what's the idea of the mister?
Well, because you was only a vice admiral.
I know, a vice admiral. Say, listen, I want you to know that I is a decent, respectable admiral. You see there? Well, I tell you what, let's go down to my cabin and we get all them yeomanettes and the orchestra and all the sailors and we'll have some real hot music.
Real Jubilee show, huh?
We're going to have some real fun. We're going to have a big time.
I tell you right now, we can sure have some fun.
You bet.
used to do. Their cabin is a penthouse on Lennox Avenue, underneath the Harlem Revue. They just live on that land, never flew off alone. They don't send to laugh and rain. That's why God is work on. They shout hallelujah every time they're feeling low. Every cheek is dressed up like a joker gigolo. You may call it madness, but they call it hidey-hidey-ho. Underneath the Harlem Revue, and Creole face walks along with the rhythm in the thighs, rhythm in the feet, and in their lips and in their eyes. Eat, cat, hidey-hidey-ho, bip, bap, bip, bap, bo. No fear for cotton, big cotton, it's a boo. Don't live in cabins like the old ones used to do. Cat-a-la-la-la, sit-sit-say. Eat, cat, hidey-hidey-hey. They just keep on dancing, never flew up alone. Ain't no sin to take off your skin and dance around in your bones. They shout hallelujah every time they're feeling low. Every cheek is dressed up like a joker gigolo. You may call it